We're at Cloudland Canyon, their main parking lot here. And it's a nice place to bring your family. Beautiful area. Got an interpretive center here. Got a garden over there. We'll have a look at that. We're gonna find some waterfalls. Sweet. Oh. Yeah, that's a little high up, I'd say. No doubt. Wow. Wow. Man. This is a cool trail. Our first encounter with stairs, the famous stairs that are at Cloudland Canyon, our first encounter. Man, those are just rock solid cast iron stairs. Okay, some more of these famous stairs. Christy, sorry. Going down is the easy part. Cloudland Canyon is certainly one of the most beautiful state parks in Georgia, this being the northwestern part of Georgia. There are two great waterfall hikes you can hit, the Cherokee Falls and the Hemlock Falls trails. They're very nice. Be prepared though, there are over 600 stairs to climb. Now going down is the easy part. Be prepared for a strenuous hike back up. Look at this. This is really nice. Wow. I mean, this is nice. 3 miles. Here's a gushing flow of water. I see water. Ooh. Man. Holy moly. And that size of that rock. So, what goes down must come up. Oh my goodness gracious, just look at this. I didn't like what she said. She said, oh, y'all are nowhere near the bottom. take a shortcut. Oh my God. Okay. 600 steps, they say. Wow. Going up, where's he? It's going up, where's he? So we hiked down here to this trail. This is the shortest trail out of the two. There's two of them down here to see Falls Trail. So we picked the shorter one. Really easy, fairly easy hike. Oh, a few hundred stairs, maybe. We got to go back up. But it was totally worth it. I mean, look at that. I mean, isn't it gorgeous? Nice, peaceful, nice day, relaxing. That's what we wanted to do. So yeah, we enjoyed this hike for sure. We'll do the other hikes maybe tomorrow or the next day, but we'll take that longer hike and see what that's all about.
That was my bad. It's got a foul sense of humor. I don't know if they heard it. You might be in the clear. I definitely heard it. I hope nobody
I'm glad we made that decision now.
Yeah, I'm telling you, me too.
Just so you know, you go down, you got to come back up every step.
I've been down there, and that's probably the one
So a bunch of people from South Florida look like
that's what
Yeah.
set of stairs.
it is.
No, we can go.